My name is Richard Bissett, and this is my Southern New Hampshire University IDS-403 video blog on neoevolution. Neoevolution is a theory of human change based on measurable scientific data. Over time, we have gathered and recorded data on various forms of human existence, and has enabled us to make change and adapt based on previous experiences. One big example of this type of change is medical and health. Data is collected on individuals and compared to similar healthy and unhealthy individuals. This enables doctors and scientists to study the information and make determinations on how or why certain sicknesses and diseases may occur. This then can help individuals potentially avoid environmental or behaviors to prevent certain diseases or sicknesses. Stem cell treatment is an example of a used and developing technology to treat certain conditions. Stem cells are found in mammals and have the potential to rapidly develop into other types of cells and serve as a repair mechanism for the body. The treatment process is to use healthy cells to help recreate more healthy cells to replace diseased or dying cells from sickness or treatments. Researchers have found that usage of stem cells to be successful after medicine has killed off healthy cells in an effort to kill off unhealthy cells. While technology isn't altering human evolution, the original concept led to the ability to create stem cells in the laboratory, or stem cells in the laboratory. This can be altered because the lab is creating organisms as treatments instead of using cells created by the human body. Benefits of this technology are in medicine and patient treatments. According to the National Institutes of Health, stem cell tissue created in a laboratory can be used as a treatment in an instance when they are unavailable, and can be a big benefit for other disease treatment. Potentially, stem cells can be used to create healthy heart muscles in a laboratory and transplant them into patients with heart disease. Since the availability and supply of human transplants of these tissues, this can create a renewable source of tissue for various other medical treatments. Also, laboratory created tissues can provide treatments to more individuals by potentially decreasing costs, which then could be provided to patients in undeveloped countries where they could be given access they just didn't have in the past. Drawbacks of this new technology can be unknown effects of these new treatments. Also, since diseases can alter over time, they may become immune to certain types of treatments. More research needs to be performed on these types of treatments in effort to better understand their behaviors. Usage needs to be controlled to avoid rapid development, which could speed up disease modification. Morally, the technology can be a challenge because laboratory-created organisms being used in humans can be perceived as playing God. Humans have internal self-disease fighting mechanisms, and with the usage of chemical-based medications have been effective. Adding laboratory-created human organisms that can create this can create a situation where human tissues are created on demand or in reserve when needed instead of being donated from other humans. Also, in some instances, cells need to be destroyed in an effort to test or in an effort to be used or tested in stem cell research. This process can have a look as killing a human being in its embryo state for the benefit of research treatments. I believe we should continue to pursue the technology. Medicine and treatments have already begun to alter diseases, and its new usage can help control these effects. Laboratory-created cells and tissues can help expand treatments to patients that didn't have access in the past, and could benefit more individuals than conventional treatments. According to Eurostem Cell website, it states that an effort to overcome moral challenges in stem cell treatment is to overcome two moral principles. First, the protection of life, and second, the respect for human life. The first is difficult in certain situations because it can vary on an individual's perception of when life begins. The second is a bit easier and as long as the usage is medical treatment to help alleviate suffering. I believe both can be accomplished. As more research is being performed, it may bring positive light on the technology and its purpose. Lastly, closely studying the effects is of the utmost importance because treatment and usages will vary from person to person, state to state, country to country, and with in-depth monitoring, we can understand how this best can be served. Thank you.